Before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe to Programming with Kaito. Okay, so we'll be embedding a YouTube video into HTML. So I don't know if this will work on an iPhone. So I think because there's no really code editor on an iPhone, you won't be able to embed on a new website so you can get an app with your favorite YouTube video or something. I don't think this works for playlists. It only works for videos. So let's start. First, let's get a name of our file, index.html, and then we'll start off with this. We'll get this little basic thing set up. Call it embed. Now this is really simple. It works on anything. So what we're gonna do is basically, if we go to youtube.com, like I said, if we go on youtube.com, and let's say we choose the video, I'm going to choose my first video, and we right click it. If you have a touchpad or a mouse that doesn't right click, control and then click it. And over here you can see kind of like this HTML kind of sign, and it says copy embed code. Click it, and then you can see that if it's successful. Close that tab and go into here, and we just paste that code. It's pretty long, but if we do run it, which we'll be using live server to run it. Live server is an extension in the marketplace of VScode. So as you can see, live server is right here. You can install it. I've already installed it. It can go on only Chrome, I think, or just a web browser that you have. So to run this, Command LO is or right click or somewhere. As you can see, our title's there. And our YouTube video is right here.